Hi folks, Russ Scala here with Scala Precision Health. Our new location is at 7151 University Boulevard. That's where we do all our advanced testing. And today I wanted to talk about a subject that's near and dear to my heart, okay? It's women's heart disease. It's something that's just not talked about. And let me give you a little backstory. When I was a paramedic in the early 80s, I would respond to emergency calls, and the difference between women's heart disease and men's heart disease is that women's heart disease is silent. It's a silent killer. Many times I would take women back to the emergency room and have the cardiac monitor on them, and their heart would just stop. There was no chest pain. So over a 20-year period, I've been gathering research from the best research labs in the country, and we developed a program that focuses on women's heart disease, and we're really excited about it. We want to make a presentation to Florida Hospital to build this program. And if you really think about it, you know, there's 40,000 women that die every year from breast cancer, and there's 500,000 women that die of heart disease, and it's not being talked about. And I think this is going to be something that's going to be near and dear to a lot of the women entrepreneurs, women that run businesses, women attorneys, women that are in high stress occupations. I think this will resonate with them. So our facility, we're doing advanced testing, IV therapy. We're actually coaching women right now. We're bringing this program, you know, into corporate America. But I just wanted to give you a little backstory. Coronary artery disease is called endothelial dysfunction. Okay, basically the lining of the arteries become blocked with stress, and it's not high fat that blocks the arteries. It's imbalances in estrogen. Women have 3 different estrogens: progesterone, thyroid, and testosterone, and adrenal function. When that becomes out of balance as a woman ages, or if a woman puts on a little bit of weight, her estrogen levels go up, and it blocks the lining of these arteries right here, and that's sort of what blocks the arteries. And this is something that cardiologists are not talking about, folks. I've been in front of hundreds of cardiologists since 2004, and when we talk about a women's heart disease program, they can't get their head around it, because this is a combination of interventional endocrinology, nutrition, diet, and advanced cardiovascular treatment that we all packaged under one roof. So I open source this. We want to educate corporate women. We want to bring this into Florida Hospital and use the evidence-based research from our pharmacy and use the evidence-based research from our advanced nutritional testing lab, so women could put up a shield. Like I said, 500,000 women die every year, and we don't have a women's heart disease program. Okay, we want to give you folks a graphic representation of physiologically what's going on and what you're not going to hear from your cardiologist. And don't get me wrong, I'm not shooting down cardiologists. They're just not trained in this. They're not trained in nutrition. They're not trained in interventional endocrinology. Most of the women that we work with that come to our facility, they go on a 4-year journey. They go to their general practitioner and they get lab work. They can't find anything. They go to a specialist to get more lab work. They can't find anything. Then they go to a nutritionist and they start getting put on a nutrition program. Then they go to Whole Foods and talk to the guy in the TVs with the dreadlocks. It's a 5-year journey. Here's real science that I'm going to walk you through, okay? Look at chronic stress. See chronic stress? When your body's under physical, mental, or emotional stress, it could cause spasms in your coronary arteries. Whether a woman has just had a baby, whether she's running her own company, whether she's an attorney getting ready for a case, the chronic stress will lower her sex steroids, will lower her estrogen, progesterone levels, will lower her testosterone. Now, we need testosterone. Think about this, ladies. Testosterone releases a gas called nitric oxide from the coronary arteries and keeps the arteries dilated. When you're under stress, chronic stress, it blocks thyroid, it causes liver insufficiency, and it blocks your coronary arteries. What we want women to think about is heart disease. Women's heart disease is not caused by cholesterol. Cholesterol is a small part of it. A women's heart disease program has to be multifactorial. We have to look at hormonal levels. We have to look at the intestinal tract. We have to look at mitochondrial function at the cellular level, and then put together a package for her. This is another real important thing, ladies. Every woman is biochemically unique, so every woman is going to need a customized program based on their unique physiological markers. That's a mouthful, but again, we all have different shoe sizes, right? Again, you do the testing with us at Scala Precision Health. Please understand that everybody is biochemically unique, and each woman is going to have a little different program. It's going to be a combination of testing hormonal levels, looking at nutritional factors, looking at your diet. We've got 30,000 cardiologists in the United States, ladies, and they still think fat causes heart attacks, and they put you on a cholesterol-lowering drug. Well, now we know the new research on cholesterol-lowering drugs are your brain is made up of 40-50% fat. If you lower cholesterol too much, it's going to damage your brain chemistry. So again, this isn't a conspiracy theory. Look at Dr. Gravevine's book called Lipitor, The Thief of Memory. He was a NASA flight surgeon that took cholesterol-lowering drugs that damage his brain over time, and you could Google all this. So what I want to say is we're going to develop the Women's Heart Disease Program. We're taking it into corporate America. We're going to access and educate Florida Hospital so we have a large distribution channel. And I'm really excited about it, ladies, and you can help me get the word out. See Scala Precision Health in Winter Park, Florida. Check me out on the Russ Scala YouTube channel. We got more content you could take a deep dive into. And check out my book, American Biohacker, on Amazon. Thank you very much.
The time is now for you to take control of your health. Everybody and every body has a story. Let us find out yours today.